Yeah, no, it'll stick like how like you should like it's not very tight inside. Sorry, I'll just stick it. Over here. Money. No. I can get that way. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's one. Shit, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Zina!
Alright, waifus, this is how the final product looks like. It's all messy. Yeah, sorry for the noise in the background. That's my nephew and my mom. Yeah, man, I really like it. I really enjoy it. I'm still... Sorry about that. I'm still trying to fix this up. Trying to make... Oh, dang it. Close this a little bit. Showing out. Don't mind that. I'm still just, you know, trying to figure out what is best to make it look more cozy, cleaner, you know, where to put my controllers at. Just organizing, basically. But I really recommend this drawer. I've had it for over a month now. It's freaking nice, man. I love it. 180 bucks. Can't go wrong with that. Yeah. Hopefully you guys liked this video. Hopefully this video was entertaining. I know it's kind of weird and everything. That's the life of a YouTuber. Some videos might be a banger. Some videos might be weird as hell. But other than that, drop a like, subscribe to your homie, and I'll see y'all in the future. Deuces. Jeremy. I dug it.